More emotionally charged testimony today in Zurawski v. the state of Texas. 13 women who were denied abortions are challenging the medical exceptions in the Texas abortion bans. Day 2 of Zurawski v. the state of Texas began on a contentious note between the lawyers representing the Office of the Attorney General and an expert witness, Dr. KEYE, a maternal fetal medicine specialist in Oregon.
Who were the physicians in Texas that you spoke with about Texas's abortion ban?
Yeah, I won't give you an answer.
At issue are the medical exceptions to the 2 bans on abortion in Texas, the trigger ban, which bans almost all abortion, and Senate Bill 8, which bans it beginning at 6 weeks. The lawsuit asks for a temporary injunction protecting doctors who are treating problem pregnancies. After lunch, an OBGYN took the stand. Dr. Austin Denard is 34 weeks pregnant and testified a pregnancy a year ago ended in abortion out of state.
And she turned to me and she said, "Austin, it's anencephaly."
Anencephaly is a fatal fetal abnormality in which the fetus is missing parts of the brain and skull. Dr. Denard testified it can lead to infection, abruption, sepsis, and other complications for the woman and is incompatible with life for the baby.
At your 11-week appointment, do you feel that at that time you qualified for an abortion under Texas's emergency medical exception?
I recognized that day in that moment that I was not critically ill, and I did not believe that I would be able to receive an abortion in my state at that time.
Lawyers for the state of Texas who are trying to show that the problem lies not with Texas law, but with the way Texas doctors are interpreting it, asking Dr. Denard if the state had intervened.
At any time did Attorney General Paxton tell you that you couldn't receive an abortion?
You know, I never thought to ask him.
We'd like to call our first witness.
The state called upon an expert witness, Dr. Ingrid Scott, an OBGYN who practices in Texas, and said on occasion a patient's life is in danger and abortion was indicated.
The laws say that a physician can use his reasonable medical judgment.
But she says the issue lies not with the law, but with the hospital systems and the decisions they make.
The law is quite clear. The fault lies with the physicians are not being given guidance by the organizations that usually will give them guidance.
The Texas Department of State Health Services released preliminary information that indicates infant deaths went up 11.5% since the ban was implemented, and infant deaths caused by severe birth defects was up more than 21%. Reporting in Austin, Adela Uchida, CBS Austin News.
Thank you for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and get the latest news by downloading the CBS Austin News app.